What's going guys, welcome back sa Vlog X, and for this video we're gonna unpack SB brand Unicorn Sting and SB brand Sphinx Cowl. Okay, buksan na natin. Okay, mabilis ang parts by parts. So first ang bit niya ay gear point. Next ay ang ratchet niya ay 560 from Rayon Claw. Na-review na natin. Next ay Unicorn Sting. Meron siyang dalawang blade, defense blade and barrage blade for attack. Okay, assemble. Yeah, Unicorn Sting. Naran natin si Sphinx Cowl. So gagawin ko na lang isang video kasi full storage na ako. Yan. Okay, parts by parts. So ang bit niya ay gear needle. Ayun, sharp na sharp. Kaya medyo may pagka-gear. Marami siyang gear na. Next ay 980. So compare kay Phoenix Wing na 960, ito 980. 9 din yung blade. Same kay Phoenix Wing. But next ay blade Sphinx Cowl. Higpitan ko pa at maluwag yung screw. Maluwag yung screw niya. Okay, assemble. Okay, let's have the test pin. Guys, okay guys, let's have the test pin. Unicorn Sting defense mo. Kapag yung point siya. Yan, defense mo. Ready natin yung attack mode niya. Okay. Pretest spin Sphinx Cowl. Defense type. Yan. Naka-gear needle siya. Lupe. Okay, let's have the test battle. Okay, from Unicorn Sting first up. Okay. Paulit-ulit na ginagawa ni Hellschain yan sa mga nakakaraan nating battle. Nakakabwisit na guys. Okay, isa pa. Defense mode lang natin. Kwenta yung experience. Yun! Galingan mo na Hellschain, guys. Panalo ata si Hellschain. First time na panalo ni Hellschain. Ay! Panalo nga si Hellschain. Panalo ba? Panalo ba? Oh! First time na nanalo ni Hellschain. Hindi sa ating test battle. Nice one. Next up, Phoenix Wing. Bad boy. Extreme finish. Okay, isa pa pa-tilt naman. Counter sa extreme line. Spin finish. Okay. Next up, Sphinx Cowl. I-attack mode natin si Unicorn Sting. Ayaw mag-attack mode guys. Counter, spin finish. And nga pala guys, mas maingay yung gear point. Meron na siya yung sa Takaratomi, para siyang sa Takaratomi. But yung kay yung kay Phoenix Wing, printing na niya. Pakinggan nyo. Wala siya. Okay, round 2 nung kay Spin Scout versus Unicorn Sting. Try natin i-attack mode. Yun, naglingay na rin yung ear needle ay. Sheesh. Mas maganda LED. Ear needle. Sheesh. Nanalo rin si Spin Scout. Holstein versus Spin Scout. Perfect. Over finish. Next up, Phoenix Queen. One extreme dash lang yun ha. Burning na no. Next up, Leon Plus. Maganda life after death na ang year nila. Next up, Leon Claw versus Unicorn Sting double motion battle. Okay, both same they are in defense mode. But wala kasi Unicorn Sting. Okay, next up, Grand Dagger. Tinalo ni Drum Dagger, so easy. So malaking shoutout kay Casey Burst. So ito na yung Unicorn Sting. So may Unicorn Sting niya. So ayun, gear point siya, gear point. So abangan nyo rin yung unpacking niya bukas o sa isang araw ata ma-upload na niya. Darating na yung order na yun. So subscribe nyo si Casey Burst. So yun, ito na siya, Casey. Okay, ilaban naman natin Sting Scout and Dagger. Last na to. Nag-double leg straight dash na wa, ipit pa rin. Malakas ata yun. Ay, kahit may LA, malaking maganda yung LED, natalo pa rin ha. So ito na talaga, final na to. Ito ko rin mag-final ng extreme dash ni Drum Dagger. Extreme dash lang, isa pa, bitin talaga. Final battle. So yun lang guys, ako nagustuhan nitong video na tayo. Huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. So yun lang, bye bye.